Boys and girls, let's check out a smart carb.
Okay, so first off, don't just buy a smart carb used for anything. You either need to call Technology Elevated or buy one that's used off of your exact application. They want all the specs for this metering rod tube and the metering rod. So this is the smart carb torn apart, pretty much 4 pieces. But there's a little ram air effect and those holes where barometric pressure or boost pressure or vacuum being sucked into the motor goes in. Those little dark spots with the ball bearings in them, those are the check valves so air can't come back up out of this, or fuel. There's the fuel inlet, just a normal float bowl. This is the other half that sits on there. So there is your metering rod tube. This is your idle adjustment, your choke, and then there's your slide and your metering rod. Again, the metering rod and metering rod tube are very important to your application. There's where your throttle cable hooks in. This sits on top. You can adjust how far down this metering rod goes in or up via this little turn dial. That's for your throttle cable, spring, typical fuel bowl, but it's all billet. So no jets. They're very similar to an electron carb, except for this ram air thing, which I like because I use it on a turbocharged setup on a Pitster Pro 190 motor from a pit bike. But I changed, even with it being turbocharged, I changed the idle half a turn in that metering rod like 1 full turn and went and rode it. I was actually amazed because of the work I put into a regular carb for turbocharged applications. And the naturally aspirated engines, the benefit to those is, since it's based on barometric pressure, you can go up in elevation or down and change temperatures, cold or hot, and the tune stays the same. Anyway, check us out on Facebook, Utah Sand Outlaws and ATC 70s of Utah. Very cool. Check out the other videos on the site, on the YouTube channel, excuse me. All right, take it easy, guys.